PSA Flight 182 crashed in a nearby neighborhood by a small cycle plane and an engine.
I'll say it a little bit louder. And then what happened?
That it killed 144 people.
Really? And what else did you know about that?
I saw on the video.
And it was the deadliest crash
In California history.
in California history?
Yes. That's what the video said.
What kind of plane was it that crashed?
PSA.
Oh. And what did it crash into?
It was, a nearby neighborhood.
Oh no.
But it was the Pacific Southwest.
Pacific Southwest?
PSA planes up the Pacific Southwest.
Very good. Which airplanes crash the most, have the most problems?
Airbus.
Do Boeings have many problems?
No.
No. That's good.
They say, do Airbuses have problems?
You want to be a pilot someday? Huh?
Yeah!